Hello, is this Olivia?
Yes, speaking. Who's calling?
Hi, Olivia. This is Mark from Pizza Town. I'm just confirming your order for a large pepperoni pizza with extra cheese and a side of garlic bread.
Yes, that's correct. How long will it take?
Your order should be ready in about 30 minutes. Would you like delivery or pickup?
I'll pick it up, thanks.
Great. See you soon, Olivia.
Thanks, Mark.
In a quiet village, Maya discovered an ancient, glowing key buried in her backyard. Curious, she followed the mysterious glow to a hidden door in the forest. Unlocking it, she found a world filled with talking animals and magical trees.